In this video, you are going to see how to outline text in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. Let me write here outline, select it, increase the font size, make it bold. We can use two different methods. Select the text under the font group, go to over here text effect and typography, go to outline and make it black outline, and go to font color and make it white fill color. This is the first method. We can use another way. Let me write here outline, select it, make it bold, go to over here and select this effect. Again go to over here, go to glow and make it no glow, and you can change the outline color from here very easily, and this is looking beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.